A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine.
Exercise 1.2.
Seventh question. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So, write down the statements. Total money the merchant had rupees 78,592. Next is cost of one radio. What is the cost of one radio? Rupees 1200. Next is cost of 40 radios will be rupees 1200 into 40. 48,000. Now money left with her. Total amount. Subtract. Okay, what will be the answer? 30,592. Eighth question. A student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So in this question you don't have to calculate both the products. We'll use brackets to solve this question. First is we'll write the wrong answer. 7236 into the 65. And what should be the right answer? 7,236 into 56. This is the wrong answer and this is the right answer. We have to find the difference between the both. Now we won't find the product of both the numbers. So 7,236 into 65. First number minus 7,236 into 56. Second number. Now 7,236 is common in both the terms. 7,236 multiply by, we'll apply brackets here.
Now in the bracket we are left with 65 and then we have minus sign. Again we are left with 56.
So now solve this. 7,236 into 65 minus 56. 9. So multiply these two numbers. Answer will be ninth question. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? First thing you have to keep in mind is
all the units should be same.
So you can either change meter to centimeter or centimeter to meter. Cloth required to stitch a shirt is 2 meter 15 centimeter. We'll convert meters into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So 2 meter will be equal to 200 centimeter. 2 meter 15 centimeter will be equal to 200 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. So it will be 215 centimeter. Next is total length of the cloth. 40 meter. 40 meter will become 4000 centimeter. Now what you have to do? You have to divide both the numbers. Number of shirts that can be stitched is equal to, it will be equal to 4000 divided by 215. 215 4000. So first will be, we'll take 1. 215 into 1 is 215. So it will be 5. 9 minus 1, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. Now what we'll do? So now which number we'll take in the question? We'll take 8. So subtract this, it will be 130. So now how many shirts can be stitched? 18 shirts can be stitched.
Now we are left with the remainder 130. It means cloth remaining is
130 centimeter. You can also convert this into meters. So 130 centimeter will be equal to 1 meter 30 centimeter. So you can write the answer in both the forms. Next question is 10th question. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kgs? So weight of a box is equals to 4 kg 500 grams. Again we have to change the units. We'll convert kg into grams. We know that 1 kilogram is equals to how many grams? 1000 grams. So 4 kilograms will be equal to 4000 grams plus 500 grams. So it will be equal to 4500 grams. This is the weight of one box. Maximum capacity is 800 kilograms, which is equal to 800 into 1000, which is equal to 8 lakh grams. Now what you have to do? You have to find number of boxes. So how will you find number of boxes? By dividing 8 lakhs by 4500 grams. So number of boxes is equals to divided by 4500. After dividing, you will get the question 177. Next is 11th question. The distance between school and the house of a student is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways between her school and home. Find the total distance covered. Now again what you will do, first you will convert the units to find total distance covered. Now distance of one side is 1 kilometer 875 meters, means 1000 plus 875 meters, that is 1875 meters. So this is the distance of one side, that is from house and school. Now you have to tell the total distance she covered. Total distance covered, so it will be equal to 3750 meters. Now what they have asked, find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Distance covered in 6 days will be equal to, this is equal to 22,500 meters. You can convert it into kilometers, so it will be 22 kilometers 500 meters. This 12th question, a vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 milliliter capacity, can it be filled? Again, first you have to convert the units. You will convert liters to milliliters, and you know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Capacity of a vessel is 4 liter 500 milliliter. Converted into milliliters, it will be 4500 milliliters. Next, capacity of glass, 25 milliliter. What you have to find? Number of glasses that can be filled. Number of glasses that can be filled. We can find the number of glasses by dividing both the numbers. 4500 divided by 25. You will get the answer 180.